Okay, it is 11 o'clock here, and and here in my backyard, and it's thunderstorming. So I'm gonna go ahead and doing a little update, doing a little video of the thunderstorm that is out in the backyard, and it's rain, and yes, it is raining. And it's been raining pretty much all day today. So yeah, and hopefully I get some good lightning too. I didn't get that one. Oh yeah, I got that one. That was a pretty good one. Oh, I got that one too. Close it a little bit. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining quite a bit out here. Oh yeah, I got that one. Oh yeah, I got that one. Nice. Oh yeah, that was a good one as well. This was a perfect place to upload a thunderstorm video at. Oh yep, there we go. Yep, that was some good one. It's raining quite a bit out here. Oh yep. You can actually hear the thunder a little bit too. Oh yep. Yep, we got that one very well. Ooh, we're gonna get quite a bit of a hits right here. 11 Ooh, 11 o'clock p.m. August 12th, 2013, Toledo, Ohio. Nice. Sorry, my voice is a bit different today than any other, but oh well. Oh, yep. This is they have some pretty good thunderstorms here in Toledo, Ohio. That's for sure. This is where I live, Toledo, Ohio. Oh boy! This was the perfect place to. Ooh, yeah. Now this is the perfect place to upload some thunderstorm videos at. Oh, yep. That was a pretty good one too. Whoop! Oh crap! Alright, well, oh yeah, I got a little bit of that one. Didn't get as much. Alright, alright. Well, this is just a little video of the thunderstorm here in Toledo. Yeah. Hopefully, I'll make some more thunderstorm videos. Yep. Bye. Ooh.